Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda Accord versus SRT. We'll explore their key differences in performance, practicality, and overall value to help you decide which vehicle best suits your lifestyle. We'll look at what each brand offers, from engine power to interior features, ensuring you have a clear understanding of both options. Let's dive into the details and see how these two distinct automotive philosophies stack up against each other. The Honda Accord is renowned for its excellent fuel efficiency, especially with hybrid options that can reach up to 51 miles per gallon in the city. It's also a leader in safety, consistently receiving 5-star ratings from the NHTSA and earning the top Safety Pick Plus award from the IS. Inside, you'll find a comfortable and spacious cabin, often featuring a large 12.3-inch touchscreen with modern connectivity, making it ideal for daily commutes and family trips. SRT, or street and racing technology, is all about raw power and exhilarating performance. These vehicles boast incredibly potent engines, from 475 horsepower V8 to supercharged Hemi V8s that can exceed 700 horsepower. Beyond sheer power, SRT models are equipped with performance-tuned suspensions, high-performance Brembo brakes, and aerodynamic bodywork. These features ensure exceptional handling and control, whether you're on the track or enjoying a spirited drive on the open road. When deciding, consider that the Honda Accord generally offers lower running costs, thanks to its superior fuel economy and more affordable maintenance. SRT vehicles, on the other hand, come with higher fuel consumption and specialized components like performance brakes and tires, which can lead to greater maintenance expenses. Your choice truly depends on whether you prioritize everyday practicality and efficiency or thrilling, high-performance driving. And speaking of upgrades, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.